Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now on a tutorial on how to install files on AWS. We'll do here is go to Chrome. To install files on S3. We have to go to S3. It's easy. It's not difficult. What we'll do here is install files in buckets. So let's create a bucket. Let's put any name. Let's put wet bucket. Here we'll unblock to make it public. Okay, that's weird. Pretty weird. There. Now we press this. Come on. Wet bucket. Here we'll do is upload the files. Then we'll press add files, or can be folders. So let's put folders. Put this one. All this. Upload. It's not working. That's weird. Alright, let's do files instead. Here we do is do this, or can be anyone. This one. Upload. And to make it public. And to make it public is like, here's a tip to make it public. Literally public. All we'll do here is make public. There you go. And we'll go back. Come on. To load. Come on. There's the link here. And there. Now it's completely public. Alright. Thanks for watching.